Welcome back. Triple D is hanging out in Kansas City, Missouri at, how you say it?
Banksia.
I say Banksia, but it's his bakery, so we let him say whatever he wants. Especially in that Aussie accent. It goes along with his authentic Australian menu.
Corn and zucchini, cilantro fritters.
You're not going to find Australian fare like this in Kansas City, so it's pretty.
You're not
pretty
going to find
unique.
it in any city.
Yeah.
What do you normally get when you come here?
The fennel and pork sausage.
Pork and fennel sausage roll.
Rob's pork and fennel sausage roll is the best I've ever had. It just melts in your mouth.
Okay, so we're gonna make a pork and fennel sausage roll.
Let's see it.
We're gonna make a mirepoix.
Turn the pot on.
Yeah,
There we go.
Yeah, thank you. Oil, red onion, carrot, celery, lots of garlic. We fresh grind the fennel, and there is plenty of it in there. White pepper, kosher salt, thyme.
Got it.
We are gonna cook these for about 2 hours. We're gonna caramelize them.
Okay, you said caramel.
That's me imitating you.
Just do American for me.
So what we have here is we have some mirepoix that we stuck into this pot. We have some fennel seeds, and we ground them fresh. So now I'm going south. Now, white pepper, salt, thyme. Did I sound American?
I don't know what you sounded like.
Let's do the sausage. Pork shoulder, which we grind here. Our cooked mirepoix.
Breadcrumbs?
Yeah,
Is this from something left over here?
it is our sourdough. We are going to roll this out into our sausage logs. Put all of those into the freezer.
And the puff pastry?
We use a 1,000-layer pastry technique.
Can't wait to see this.
We're gonna start with some AP flour, salt, butter, apple cider vinegar, water, and we're gonna make a big dough.
Okay.
And now we're gonna sheet that, fold that puff pastry, and we're gonna create 1,000 layers with butter in between, so when we put it in the oven, the steam from the butter cooking is gonna make that pastry puff up.
Got it.
So now, frozen sausage. We're gonna run a little egg wash, because this is kind of our glue.
Okay.
Another little egg wash, and then we're gonna seam it so that it doesn't pop open.
Got it.
So egg wash, sesame seed,
This gonna get baked off what temp?
350, 30, 35 minutes.
And that's all she wrote. You're getting this creaminess and this butter and this moisture from the puff pastry. Then you're getting a ton of it from the pork. All that fat that the sourdough breadcrumbs soaked up, plus all the mirepoix, copious amounts of fennel. I mean, like Fennel City. That's not a sausage sandwich.
No.
It's not a pig in a blanket. It is its own entity, and it is dynamite.
Thank you.
The pork and fennel sausage roll.
It's moist and the fennel is perfect.
It's outlined by this very flaky, very delicious crust.
I have your lamington.
This is a great place. Otherwise, we wouldn't come here 2 or 3 times a week.
You'll definitely feel like you're down under.
Ouch.